Welcome to this room tour. We are in a standard room at the Coronado Springs Resort. This is in the older section. We are in the Casitas section. We're in room 3381. There are two queen beds here right as you walk in. A nice desk area. There is the ice box or ice bucket, I guess we'll say, and cups for coffee or water. It's a Keurig coffee machine. There is a great print here of the Three Caballeros, which is my favorite ride at Epcot. I love the Three Caballeros. And a little chair. This is a moderate resort, so there are no balconies or patios, but you have a nice window to the outside. These rooms have been recently renovated. They have this beautiful laminate flooring. And then in here, I'm gonna say there's probably a little fridge. And then a desk area. A nice lamp, nice flat screen TV, plenty of plugs. If you see, there's plugs here, right there, and there's more plugs over there with USB. Lots of drawers. The beds are nice. They are up off of the ground, which you can put suitcases. My son already put his little suitcase under there. So we have the two queen beds. We have, oh, there's more Three Caballeros prints. Love that. And lots of plugs here with the lights, and as you can see in this time of COVID, the remote is in plastic. Little drawer area there. I like the lights over the bed, which are nice. And this room also has a ceiling fan. You can probably see it in the reflection, which I love the ceiling fans. The bathroom has these barn doors, which are nice and modern, like them. This is a connecting room. We're not with anyone, but that's where the connecting room is. And the nice mirror. Something to note on the TV as we entered, usually they have, you know, like it gives you the daily schedule and everything with the music playing, and they actually have the COVID safety protocols. So that's nice. They also point out the enhanced cleaning here. And then as we go in here, when I turned the bathroom light on, the bathroom fan came on. I couldn't get it to go off. So anyway, here is the room. There I am, or the bathroom. We have a nice closet here. Blow dryer, extra pillows, linens. This is in there. Ironing board, clothes rack. Lots of shelves here. Beautiful, they're like Korean countertops. Lots of tissue, lots of toilet paper, lots of towels. We have a double sink. We have the vanity kit, the shower cap, and the sea salt. Nice lighting in here. Such good lighting to get ready to. Also a nice little mirror. There's actually, I don't know if you can see it, there's some big chunks out of the wall there. Plugs, and then a nice renovated bathroom here. We have the toilet. It does have a nice pull door. I'm sorry for that fan. Let's see if I can turn it off. Yeah, see, it won't go off. I don't know how it went on. But a nice shower. These have been sanitized. Look at the shower head, the rainfall shower head. Beautiful shower. I like that there's not a drain. And just really nice. I'm really impressed by this room, and that is our room tour, and there's all of our junk, but that is our room tour. Thanks for watching.